ऑलरेडी यहाँ से इतने लॉसेस हो गए हैं और ऊपर से आईपीएल के साथ क्लैश है। तो वो जैसे मुझे बचपन में याद है कि पिक्चरों में दिखाते थे कि जो अमीरों की ऊपर घर में ज्यादा होके जो फेंक देते थे वो नीचे गरीब अपनी झोली लेके खड़ी होते थे, वैसे उनकी सिचुएशन है। वो अभी जो हमारे रिजेक्टेड प्लेयर्स है वो सारे पीएसएल में जाके खेल रहे हैं, जिनको यहाँ जो सिलेक्ट नहीं हुए। एंड उनका सिचुएशन और भी इसलिए खराब है कि उसमें भी ये हो रहा है कि जो कुछ आईपीएल में साइंड प्लेयर्स है, जब वो अभी कुछ इंजर्ड हो जा रहे हैं तो जो सेकंड जो इंडिया पिकअप कर रहा है वो पीएसएल के अब साइंड प्लेयर्स है, जो कि अब वो छोड़ के वापस आ रहे हैं।
हाँ,
तो इट इज क्वाइट अनफॉर्चुनेट सिचुएशन।
So even Rohit wasn't sure what he wanted to do, but most likely would have batted first. And if India had batted, probably India would have scored maybe more, but probably it turned out to be a blessing in disguise. I think Rohit's captaincy was absolutely sublime. There's no doubt about it. The way he restricted both teams in the semi-finals and finals under pressure, it was unbelievable. It was brilliant. We keep talking about Australia missing some players, but their batting lineup was the best batting lineup they had. So the kind of target we restricted them to was brilliant. And finals में जो सबसे main thing था, रोहित शर्मा when he was at 47, मेरा पेट में थोड़ा I was beginning to feel tense that ये 47 वाला number क्या करता है. But at the 8th over when Santner came into bat, he batted a few balls back. He said 10 overs खत्म हो गया. He didn't throw away his wicket, or he didn't go for those big shots. He had played those shots against the pace bowlers, and that's where I thought Rohit Sharma is back to where he belongs.
ऑल आर इंडियन प्लेयर्स जो आईपीएल से थोड़ा सा अपना, ठीक है मैं एक जीता हुआ हूँ आईपीएल से, दे ब्रिंग इन सम सोलास टू देमसेल्व्स कि हाँ मैंने जीता हुआ है करके। वो ऐड भी आ गया ना, हार्दिक बोलता है मैंने 5 आईपीएल जीता है, रोहित शर्मा बोलता मैं 6, स्काई बोलता मैं 3, वो सब है। बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि somebody like विराट कोहली इज नॉट वन, एंड इवन दोस प्लेयर्स हु इज नॉट, अभी जैसे रोहित शर्मा इन आईपीएल लास्ट 3 years से कुछ चल नहीं रहा था, सडनली they have 2 wins and at a far bigger stage, like you pointed out, far bigger stage than IPL. तो अब तो वो मतलब वो they are going to really take IPL by storm. I mean it's going to be a really big tournament for some of these stars because they are not going to be bothered. I mean, they are really going to make a state. Now you will see statement in innings more than you know मैच सजाना, ये सब नहीं होगा। वो कहेगा मैं जाऊंगा and I am going to showcase myself. ठीक है जी, चलिए आ गए सबके सब, आज चारों की तिकड़ी आ गई, मतलब द फोर क्वाड्रेंट आ गया है पूरा का पूरा। तो ईट स्लीप ड्रिंक क्रिकेट में आप सबका स्वागत है। काफी दिनों से, 1 हफ्ता हो गया, लास्ट संडे घूम रहे थे, लेकिन फिर हमारे अभिजीत और भास्कर भाई भारत भ्रमण में निकल गए। लेकिन मैं अमित को दाद देना चाहूंगा कि वो भी भारत भ्रमण में निकले, लेकिन उन्होंने कहीं से टाइम ट्विस्ट करके निकाला और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा माहौल सजाया पिछले बार। तो चलिए, जो पहले तो मैं मतलब ये बता दूं कि आई वांट टू थैंक ऑल द पीपल हु लिसन टू अस, गिव फीडबैक। अलग-अलग लोगों से अलग-अलग तरीके से फीडबैक आता है। मतलब हम, मुझे अलग से आता है, यूट्यूब में 1-2 कमेंट्स आते हैं, एंड देन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस वी गेट डिफरेंट कमेंट्स। ऑल दोज़ कमेंट्स वी डिस्कस्ड इन आवर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, एंड इफ वी फाइंड एनीथिंग रेलेवेंट देन वी ऑब्वियसली डिस्कस। सम ऑफ द थिंग्स आर वेरी, मतलब सबके मन में होता है, इसीलिए ये मतलब we anyways address it. So आज 3-4 टॉपिक्स हैं। So finally we will go towards IPL, क्योंकि IPL is the one which is going to take care of this podcast and this discussion forum for the next couple of months, 2-3 months यही होने वाला है। So इसलिए वो लास्ट में हम करेंगे। So भास्कर जैसे तड़प रहे हैं, तो पहले तो मैं उन्हीं के पास जाऊंगा कि वो चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी फाइनल का वो रिव्यू दिए बिना से रहा नहीं जा रहा, उनको देना ही देना है। उसके बाद एक टॉपिक बच गया है, एक टॉपिक हमारा ये रहेगा कि वर्ल्ड स्टेज पे इस फाइनल विन का किस तरीके से जाएगा, उसमें अभिजीत और अमित, उन दोनों को मैं लेके आऊँगा, एंड देन आईपीएल की तरफ फाइनली भी बढ़ेंगे। एंड देन बीच में 2, तो अभी एक मैच चल रहा है, इसलिए उसका भी लास्ट में ही ज़िक्र होगा, और कल एक फाइनल हुआ था, उसका भी लास्ट आईपीएल के उस सेगमेंट में ही डिस्कस होगा। ठीक है, सो फाइनली मैं आता हूँ भास्कर आपके पास, अपना पूरा बोल-बच्चन करने के बाद आपको पूरा टाइम दिया जा रहा है। तो इंडिया जीत गया है, आपकी खुशी मतलब ऐसा, आप मतलब लोगों का आँख और ये स्माइल खिलता, आपका बाल खिलते हुए नज़र आया, कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा कंडीशनर-वंडीशनर लेके बैठे हैं आप। तो
बिल्कुल
मतलब
बिल्कुल.
आप बताएँ कि आप अपने इमोशंस को पूरा उड़ेल दें।
पिछले एक हफ्ते में कम से कम 8-10 बार मैं हाईलाइट देख चुका हूँ. अभी रिकॉर्डिंग देखना बाकी है दोबारा. So I think it's unbelievable. It's absolutely brilliant because India won every game without winning the toss, especially the semi-finals and finals, where bat first, big match, bat first in ODI cricket has always been a big advantage. We lost both the tosses, and both the teams, the teams that won the toss decided to bat first. So even Rohit wasn't sure what he wanted to do, but most likely would have batted first. And if India had batted, probably India would have scored maybe more. But probably it turned out to be a blessing in disguise. I think Rohit's captaincy was absolutely sublime. There's no doubt about it. The way he restricted both teams in the semi-finals and finals under pressure, it was unbelievable. It was brilliant. We keep talking about Australia missing some players, but their batting lineup was the best batting lineup they had. So the kind of target we restricted them to was brilliant. And finals में जो सबसे main thing था, Rohit Sharma when he was at 47, मेरा पेट में थोड़ा I was beginning to feel tense that ये 47 वाला number क्या करता है. But at the 8th over when Santner came into bat, he batted a few balls back. He said 10 overs खत्म हो गया. He didn't throw away his wicket, or he didn't go for those big shots. He had played those shots against the pace bowlers, and that's where I thought Rohit Sharma is back to where he belongs, scoring those 150s, 170s, 180s. So he played a great knock. I was very happy he got 76 and he got out, which things that happen. But he was not like desperately wanting to throw away. He was setting himself up for 100. And Virat Kohli, it was bound to happen someday. So होना ही था कभी ना कभी. Law of averages had to catch up with him. He got a great ball, he got out, and then Rohit Sharma got out. Uske baad, we had not seen in a big match, in a knockout game, without Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli since 2019 World Cup semi-finals. Even when Dhoni was there, we had not seen matches. We winning matches without one of the three, including Dhawan scoring 100. ये तीनों गए तो we would have lost. We just used to lose every match, even with Dhoni there. So I think that's where it was very, very heartening to see the way Shreyas batted, the way Akshar batted. All of them played crucial knocks. None of them got out due to pressure. They might have scored a bad shot में out हो गए होंगे. But जो एक जमाने में होता था ना 55 of 60. Remember एक टाइट अपना साउथ अफ्रीका में after the Titan Cup when India had gone to Australia, the finals, जब द्रविड़ 81 मारा, we needed 55 of 60.
84 मारा.
84 मारा. And then we needed 55 of 60 balls with Ajay Jadeja, many of the Azharuddin, सब लोग थे. But all of them like, really 60. Crumbled. 55 of 60. हाँ जो भी है.
दिल टूटा है मेरा. मैं रात को 12 बजे देख रहा था.
हाँ, that was an easy chase. उस समय उसको भी हम used to make it difficult and lose by 25 runs. Not ऐसा नहीं कि एक दो ball. So it was brilliant to see the way Hardik played. The big KL Rahul was sublime. मेरे को वो I was always feeling that number 6 is a great spot for him. But he was not performing the way he performed at number 5. So having him lower down really gives a lot of what do you call हमने जो ना depth, batting depth. और मैं हमेशा बोलता ना एक batsman कम है करके. We have one batsman short. So probably Rahul batting at 6 covers up for that. So I think that was all in all brilliant performance by India. And chasing down in two big games, especially the finals, without Kohli performing and even losing Rohit, I think that was great. Rajiv.
Great. ये अच्छा बोला आपने and I think the tribute goes to KL Rahul. मतलब KL Rahul is the unsung hero. Shreyas Iyer unsung hero. Akshar Patel unsung hero. The selection of जैसे अभिजीत आपने बताया ना कि वरुण चक्रवर्ती को यशस्वी को बिठा के उसको लेके आए लास्ट मिनट पे. Lot of things, right? ये अभिजीत तो ऐसे फ्रीज हो गए हैं. पता नहीं क्या हो गया उनको. तो It was really heartwarming. I mean, एक टीम परफॉर्मेंस अगर आप उस स्कोर कार्ड देखेंगे आपको मतलब बहुत दिल से बहुत अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि why? Because सभी ने परफॉर्म किया. बॉलर हो, बैट्समैन हो, सब ने परफॉर्म किया और जिताया. अमित आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहेंगे? I think you spoke a lot last time, but you can add because Avijit is freezed.
No, I think he's covered. But yeah, I think I also kind of felt that the good part was the contribution from the people who you normally wouldn't have expected to win matches for us. So I think मेरे लिए वो सबसे बड़ी important बात थी कि ये जो नीचे के मिडिल और लोअर मिडिल ने जो परफॉर्म किया है, I think that is going to give impetus to India for a very long time. And I think the good part is the selectors and everybody is now aware that this is how you basically build a winning combination. So there will be a lot of focus on some of the middle and lower middle order all-rounders now who are getting ready from the IPL or from the domestic cricket, I think they have a brilliant chance to make a mark for themselves. So this is the way forward for us. That's all. Rajiv.
Yeah, wonderful. नहीं सही बोला आपने कि one of the advantages which we all have is that अब एक template मिल गया है कि जीतना कैसा है, and that 8 batter theory, the 6th bowler theory is very good, and which clearly indicates that all rounders अभी वो आपके T20 क्रिकेट से ही बाहर आएगा. So we have to keep an eye on T20 क्रिकेट जो अब है. एक टॉपिक जो मेरे मन में था, मतलब एक चीज जो हमने अभी WhatsApp पे भी डिस्कस किया था. One of the topics is that the world did not like India's win. I mean, that's what came across. Now, ठीक है, मतलब जो we can always say कि क्या फर्क पड़ता है, I mean, does it really matter to us कि क्या फर्क पड़ता है? But मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ कि what really happens is कि अब I feel because of this win and some of the people who could not digest it. Now let's remember one thing. ये जीत, whether it was so okay, let me take a step back. Everybody complained कि इंडिया के पास एक ही जगह खेल रहा है, ये वो है, टाइम, होटल, इधर खेलना, वो खेलना, सब जगह बन के आया. So
Career Igniter, your gateway to success. From expert resume building and premium interview coaching to leadership development, we help you stand out and land your dream job. Unlock your potential with personalized career guidance. Proud sponsors of the Eat, Sleep, Drink Cricket podcast.
So अभिजीत, मैं कह रहा था कि एक सिंपल टॉपिक ये था कि the world has not been able to digest this win. Many are being happy, some are ठीक है, मतलब जैसे भास्कर ने कहा, it's not most important for us, but what really throws up is कि ये जो लोकेशन और ये सब जो भी ड्रामाबाजी था, it was only for this particular tournament. Let us remember, अगर यही टूर्नामेंट ऑस्ट्रेलिया में होता है, इंग्लैंड में होता है, इंडिया में होता है, कहीं भी होता है, इंडिया भी वही भाग रहा होता. And let's not forget the fact कि इंडिया will play its matches in weekend. ये इंडिया नहीं चाहता, बीसीसीआई नहीं चाहता, ये आईसीसी चाहता है. कोई भी वीकेंड में ही मैचेस करा रहा है इंडिया का मैचेस. ये कोई नहीं बताएगा कि इंडिया वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड का जो फाइनल मैच था, वो मैच संडे को खेला गया, इमीडिएटली ट्यूसडे सेमीफाइनल खेलना पड़ा इंडिया को, राइट? एंड इन दोज कंडीशंस, राइट? तो आप क्या सोचते हैं, हाउ डू यू थिंक इंडिया शुड रिस्पॉन्ड? बिकॉज मेरा वरी पॉइंट ये है कि some of these media and all these people, while ICC, the individual boards, all may be in, they are all in cahoots, they all understand what is happening. But individually media and some of the pressure points within India also, some of the young players आते हैं ना, उनको पे बहुत pressure डालते हैं लोग, and they really can destroy a person's career or anything, which is not fair ना. अब because ICC के एक ऑफिस में एक डिसीजन लिया जा रहा है, उसका भरपाई कोई यंगस्टर यहाँ करे, वो ठीक नहीं है. तो आप क्या सोचते हैं? How do you think India how can India respond to it? Can it communicate slightly better? What is your thoughts? And of course, you can comment on the Champions Trophy final also.
Actually, yeah. So Champions Trophy final, some of the unthings said, and actually it is related with what you just said. कि इंडिया को जितना criticism मिलता है, इंडिया को जितना criticism मिलता है, it is totally unfair, but it is going to continue. I will tell you the reasons for it. And because इंडिया को क्रिटिसिज्म मिलता है, इंडिया को क्रेडिट नहीं मिलता जहां मिलना चाहिए. जब अभी भास्कर ने बोला ना कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया के तो बॉलर्स नहीं आए थे, लेकिन उनका बैटिंग लाइनअप अच्छा था. एवरीबडी हैज फॉरगॉटन दैट इंडिया के लिए भी बुमराह एंड सिराज वर नॉट देयर. बुमराह एंड सिराज इज इक्विवेलेंट टू, लेट्स से, हेजलवुड एंड स्टार्क फॉर इंडिया. They were not there, but nobody is even mentioning this. Nobody said कि was India dared to go into a tournament with 5 spinners. Okay, India dared to put Akshar Patel up the order. You manipulate a lot of things. India dared to put Varun Chakravarti as a secret weapon, whereas Varun Chakravarti has failed in the same venue 3 or 4 years before in the T21 World Cup in Dubai itself. Nobody says this. So India को कभी credit मिलने वाला है नहीं, and it will always be a pressure point for India. Okay, so much so that all these influencers and all had to dig out data कि वो South Africa ने सेंचुरियन में ही खेला था अपना सारा मैचेस चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी 2009 and still they couldn't make it to the semi-finals also. So people now have to come out and give explanations just to defend India's position, which is absolutely unfair, but it is going to happen. I'll tell you why. If you follow any of the Australian sports media, every day they put out an India news. Okay, any India news, चाहे रोहित शर्मा लेके डालेगा, विराट कोहली का फोटो रहेगा, मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडिया न्यूज रहेगा, विराट कोहली का फोटो रहेगा. ठीक है, बीच में बीसीसीआई कुछ डिक्टेट निकाला था अगेंस्ट प्लेयर्स वाइफ स्टाइल, वो सब निकाल. एवरी इंडिया न्यूज दे पुट इट.
I think one of ex-West Indian pacers ने बोला था कि ICC has become Indian, Indian cricket club or whatever he mentioned. ICC has become equal to BCCI. वो भी सारे headlines. उसका reason ये है कि after India went to Australia and Australia made record crowds and record viewerships, that has become the new norm. So even the forthcoming series in England, we will have all our superstars going there, because England will also say, "Boss, I want all your superstars. I also want a grand event." So it is just for attention. It is just for viewership. It is just for likes, followers. It's for survival. Let's say India is not just feeding Indian cricket. BCCI is not just feeding Indian cricket. BCCI and Indian cricket and our stars actually are feeding all cricket boards of the world. They are actually, हम हमारे crumbs लेके खेल रहे हैं. तो हम जीतते हैं तो उनका वो एक न्यूज बनाते, उसको लेकर चलो इंडियंस को ट्रोल करो. बट terrific victory by India in this Champions Trophy, and India has to only answer. None of these people who are discrediting India, इन्होंने एक बार भी बोला है कि बस इंडिया ने लास्ट 24 ICC मैचेस में से 23 जीता है. मतलब you have to tell that they should be at par with some of the best ODI teams ever, best white ball teams ever in this game. Nobody is discussing because उस पे उतना likes आएगा नहीं. जितना likes आएगा इंडिया को गाली देने में. So it works this way. So that is going to be there. I don't think we need to respond. We just need to keep playing, and we just need to keep doing well. And if we keep doing well, and again, kudos to the strategies. I think Bhaskar mentioned Rohit Sharma as a captain was excellent. You remember in the first few matches, Akshar Patel was coming as the first change bowler. Suddenly in the final, Varun Chakravarti came as the first change bowler, and immediately he strikes. Then Kuldeep Yadav comes from somewhere, and immediately he strikes. So kudos to Rohit Sharma, to Gautam Gambhir, to Agarkar, and the entire Indian setup, which has, people don't believe it. People are not saying Rishabh Pant didn't get a match. A player of Rishabh Pant will walk into all the teams in the world. Rishabh Pant didn't even get a match in the Champions. So that's the depth of talent we have. And we should just keep answering back with performances. Rajiv.
Great. Thanks. बहुत अच्छा बोला आपने. I think you covered all the points. And the West Indies cricketer is Andy Roberts. And Andy Roberts, unfortunately, I have a lot of respect for Andy Roberts. But I think he forgets the fact कि आज वेस्ट इंडीज क्रिकेट जहाँ पे खड़ा है ना, उसको इंडिया ने खड़ा करा है. तो जिस ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड के लिए लॉबी कर रहा है ना, वो जा भी नहीं रहा है वहां पे. इंग्लैंड तो फिर भी एक आध सीरीज चले जाता है, वेस्ट इंडीज, ऑस्ट्रेलिया तो जाता भी नहीं है. ये फ्रैंक वॉरेल ट्रॉफी जिसमें ब्रायन लारा ने 153 बनाया, 2-2 जो सीरीज हुआ था, आज वो जमाना है ही नहीं. लेकिन फिर भी वेस्ट इंडीज क्रिकेट को जीवित रखा है इस इंडियन क्रिकेट ने. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि हैव ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड ऑल, नो, आई डोंट वांट दैट. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि थोड़ा सा मतलब उस चीज को समझो और पहचानो. वही बोल रहा हूँ, राइट. सो अमित, मैं अभी आपके पास आता हूँ, देन भास्कर आपके पास आऊंगा. अमित, आपसे जो मुझे जानना था कि ऑल दिस जेलसी पॉइंट्स एंड ऑल, ठीक है, मतलब जो है सो है. नाउ इंडियन क्रिकेट इज स्टिल गोइंग फॉर अ ट्रांजिशन. ठीक है, एक खबर जो हमने लास्ट टाइम पढ़ा था, बात हुआ था कि कुछ 4 बिलियन पाउंड या मिलियन पाउंड्स का नुकसान होने जा रहा है जो टेस्ट सीरीज में इंडिया ना खेल के. दैट WTC फाइनल इंडिया इज नॉट गोइंग टू प्ले, सो देयर इज अ लॉस देयर. ठीक है, बट ऑब्वियसली यू कैन नॉट पुट इंडिया बिकॉज मनी आने वाला है. दैट्स नॉट द वे इट रन्स. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि इसकी वजह क्राउड्स को इंक्लूड करने का, स्टार्स भी एक बहुत बड़ा फर्क पड़ता है. So is that the reason why रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली, इन पे एक प्रेशर है कि आप कंटिन्यू रखो, जब तक नया सुपरस्टार उस लेवल पे खड़ा ना हो जाए, आप कंटिन्यू रखो, बिकॉज इस चीज को भी चलाना है, इकोनॉमिक्स हैज टू रन. आप क्या सोचते हैं इसके बारे में?
तो देखिए, मेरा ये मानना है कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली और फॉर्चुनेटली, whichever way you want to look at it, teams like India are the milking cows for ICC. So typically what happens is that we all know how the ICC makes money when these teams travel and when people come to watch them. That's how the money is made. That is the only reason why sometimes when you look at the schedules of India and West Indies, or you see the way that we are being made to play at various time zones, etc., is because to get the viewership. So I believe that till some of the other teams are able to make cricket an important game within their own countries and make it big, like what India has made, we will continue to have the pressure of that. But I also believe that this is the pressure that is making India better. So if you look at it this way, in fact, when I was just listening to Avijit, actually, I don't mind this criticism, because I remember when Australia was sitting at the top, this is how things would happen about Australia and the way they would sledge and all those controversies. But in a way, Australia knew that, okay, let people speak, we're still the best. I think we are probably in that zone now. And I think we should bask in the glory. I don't see any reason for that. Yes, it is going to put pressure, but that is the reason why when we spoke last time, I also told you that that is the reason India has now created those three teams in those three different formats, which will give their star players a rest, a deserved rest, and at the same time keep the global picture going. So you will see a lot of these T20 tournaments, etc., now starting in the US, in some of the other allied countries very soon in the next couple of years, where you will get our other teams to get a chance to play. Because at the end of the day, it is the Indian players for which people come to see the matches abroad. So yeah, I agree that Rohit and Virat gather great crowds. I think so was the case with Sachin. We have a living proof today that with Sachin playing, the ground is almost full, even at this level. I'm just watching the match; he just got out, but that will continue to remain as an important factor for us. And I believe that we must ensure that we play globally, we make ourselves seen more, and we reduce pressure by kind of getting more youngsters and creating these different teams for India. That's my thought, Rajiv.
Great. No, as you spoke, I put Sachin's photograph, and Bhaskar, now I'm coming to you. आपने देखा होगा ये मास्टर्स का फाइनल है, ठीक है? एंड दिस फाइनल आप देखो, क्राउड देखो, फुल है, स्टेडियम फुल है. और एक सेमीफाइनल जो पाकिस्तान में होता है, I didn't wish to bring Pakistan's name, but the semi-final between New Zealand and South Africa stadium was not 50% full also, right? So let's understand this, मतलब how the game is एक economic thing को आप उसको झुकला नहीं सकते, right? So my question to you is that I want you to speak about a couple of things. One is I want you to speak about this Masters tournament, so you can probably, because I got Sachin's photo, you can speak how relevant is these things. And do you also see कि T20 में अब भरमार टीम्स रहेगा, लीग की तरफ जाएगा या टीम्स की तरफ जाएगा, आप कैसे देखते हैं इसको?
Yeah, T20, that's the future of cricket, isn't it? T20 होने वाला है, और of course 50 over cricket, apart from the big games, the big tournaments, उसका relevance बहुत कम हो गया है. A lot of relevance for bilateral test cricket leading up to the WTC, and of course a lot of relevance for all these T20 leagues, even T20 internationals, even the Masters series, for example. The reason why people are coming is because Sachin is there, Brian Lara is there. Remove these two, and with Pawan Negi and Dhaval Kulkarni, I don't see that kind of a following. Okay, so if maybe 10 years down the line you have a Virat Kohli or a Rohit Sharma playing this, then it makes some sense. Or else, I don't see Pawan Negi at the age of 32 is playing Masters. So Dhaval Kulkarni at the age of 35 is playing 36 is playing Masters. Shahbaz Nadeem is 35. So I don't think it has got too much of relevance. The only relevance is because these superstars whom we used to adore during the peak of their past are coming back and showing some of their vintage stuff. Nobody's really bothered whether India wins or not. Like Lara out, the people probably would have been disappointed. They would have wanted Lara to play for some more time and score a 25 or a 30. Even the Indians who are supporting the Indian team. So I think most people are coming to watch the X players. Remember, this kind of a tournament happened way back in the mid 90s when Kapil Dev and Gavaskar and Vishwanath, all of them played. I think India lost to West Indies in the final, and Greenwich played brilliantly. I remember that match. So I think it's something of that sort. It's not going to take off in big time, but होने वाला है क्योंकि इन players को भी थोड़ा खेलने का मौका मिलता है. Sachin is not playing for the money here. He's playing because he's getting to bat. He's getting to play. He's getting to compete. So वो एक चीज है कि people who are like out of the game and still want to compete, उनके लिए एक opportunity है to still be a part of the game, to play. Sachin doesn't want to be a commentator or a coach or something. उसको खेलने में ही मजा आता है ज्यादा. तो उसको जब बैट पकड़ने का मौका मिल रहा था, वो क्यों छोड़ेगा, है कि नहीं? So it's something of that sort. So T20 cricket, lots and lots of leagues are going to come up. Maybe 20, 25 years down the line, it's going to be a lot like how the football scene is around the world. A lot of club cricket, so a lot of you'll have different leagues. So that's how it's going to be. Of course, we'll have those international tournaments, which are going to be huge, the white ball tournaments. And Test cricket, of course, the premier format would continue where it is. It's ODI cricket, apart from the big tournaments like the World Cup and Champions Trophy. That's the only thing that's going to be struggling to keep itself alive. Rajiv.
नहीं, सही बात बोल रहे हैं कि सचिन तो बल्ला लेके चला है, तो वो तो है. खैर, स्कोर बताएं अभी कि हम तो देख नहीं पा रहे, आप ही बता दें स्कोर.
95 for 1.
तो जीत ही जाएंगे. सही है. तो अब आते हैं अभिजीत के पास। अभिजीत, आप ये WPL देखा क्या आपने? वुमेन्स प्रीमियर लीग देखा आपने? मुंबई इंडियंस सेकंड टाइम जीत गया भाई।
Yeah, I saw the final. It was. I think I was very happy with Harmanpreet Kaur because, I don't. WPL वगैरह ये सब तो मेमोरी में ज्यादा याद रहता नहीं है. But you remember India games, and Harmanpreet Kaur has not performed at the final stage for India games, or has lost close matches, and Harmanpreet has her dismissal have been one of the reasons for the loss on those matches. But here in the final yesterday, when Mumbai started poorly, it looked like Mumbai will struggle to make 100 runs also. And then Harmanpreet took command, and then she played the best innings, one of the best innings actually around, and then they completely. I mean, if you see the second highest score and the third highest score and see what Harmanpreet did and her strike rate, it was terrific. So I felt great for her, and I think the tournament was good. The only problem is the tournament helping the fringe Indian players come up? I have my doubts on that. This tournament, if you see the numbers, is still dominated by a select group of foreigners and a couple of Indian players. So I think the gap between the best women's players and the second-run women's players is still very large. So as of now, every team has 4 or 5 Indian players who are hardly contributing to the cause. Even the Harleen Dales and Yastika Bhatia and Jemima Rodriguez, they barely had 1 or 2 good innings the entire WPL. So that was disheartening for me. But yeah, overall it's a great spectacle. I read some figures that Pakistan ka PSL say how many times bigger is Hamara WPL. In fact, our stars actually make much more money than Pakistan's men's ka biggest stars. Our women's stars make more money. But we'll leave it for another day. Yeah. Anyways, India को बहुत लोग criticize कर. अब एक और बात मुझे याद है. All of us started following cricket. All 4 of us started following cricket in the 80s, 90s. अगर आप 80s, 90s का pattern देखोगे ना, Australia would call us once in 4 to 5 years. England would call us once in 4 to 5 years. That damn West Indies, including Andy Roberts, team would call us once in 4 to 5 years. आज के डेट में all of them are falling at BCCI's feet for a T20 series every year, for a ODI series every year, for a Test series every year. So they can criticize as much as they want. Whatever. I totally agree with Amit. We are the boss, and it is better we are the boss than anybody else is the boss. When England was the boss, they hosted 3 consecutive World Cups and they won nothing. So it's better we are the boss. We are much more fair, and we get money for more countries in cricket than what any other board could do for us. And that's why they are jealous. It's good. It's good people are jealous of us.
ये सही बात है। आपने अपना हुक स्टेटमेंट दे दिया। नहीं, WPL से सो आई वांट टू नाउ ट्रांजिशन टू अमित हियर। और सर ये देखिए, सी आई एम ब्रिंगिंग अप 3 पॉइंट्स हियर। पहला, हरमनप्रीत somebody who doesn't perform in finals, semi-finals, but goes and performs in final. I want to give another anecdote. Last time they needed 18 or 15 18 or 15 balls against RCB in the eliminator, and they lost it when Harmanpreet gave away a wicket. Or MI हार गया था eliminator, as RCB went and reached the final. And because RCB went, उस टीम से एक लड़की है श्रेयंका पाटिल, who's very young बच्ची है. She went and bowled for India also. She's injured. She couldn't play this WPL. But तो लोग आ रहे हैं. I think the system will take it 5 to 6 years to ensure कि players आते जाएं. और the kind of Jemima Rodriguez from the first WPL to what she is today to play for India plays far better. But और लगेगा उसको, और मेहनत लगेगा. हरमनप्रीत इतने साल बाद एक फाइनल में खेली है. Why I'm bringing this point is कि हमारे जो stars हैं last 24 में, and I'm saying विराट कोहली आरसीबी के लिए कुछ नहीं जीता है, ठीक है? ऑलवेज काउंटेड एज समबडी हु डजंट विन। सडनली उस आईपीएल से इस आईपीएल के बीच में 2 ट्रॉफी आ गया है, जिसमें एक में परफॉर्म विराट कोहली ने किया, एक में रोहित शर्मा ने किया। रोहित शर्मा वाज ऑब्वियसली वन आईपीएल, लेकिन जो माइंडसेट है ना, आज जब विराट कोहली आरसीबी के लिए उतरेगा, वो ये सोचेगा मैं जीता हुआ, आई एम अ विनर हियर, आई डू फॉर आरसीबी व्हाट नोबडी कुड हैव डन, बिकॉज़ प्रेशर गया ऑफ नॉट विनिंग, प्रेशर गया, क्योंकि 2 ट्रॉफी जीते हुए, एक नहीं है, 2 है, तुक्का भी नहीं है, एंड वन इज वेरी रीसेंट चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी, सो मींस वो रीसेंसी इफेक्ट भी बहुत ज्यादा है। सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक आवर स्टार्स आर गोइंग टू डू? सम ऑफ आवर स्टार्स, लाइक, आर दे गोइंग टू बी मोर डेंजरस? दे आर गोइंग टू रियली क्रैक इट, आई मीन, and that's how I want to transition to IPL. आप क्या सोचते हैं? How do you think this IPL is going to be? This is a different IPL now.
यार देखो, आई थिंक मेरा एक ये थॉट प्रोसेस है, और मैं and nothing to kind of take down IPL over a Champions Trophy or international matches. not on those lines. But I think I somehow feel that the kind of pressure that the IPL brings is far lesser than what you have in the international arena. So if you look at Virat, now Virat is a touch unlucky, I would say. Virat का ऐसा है कि he has put up brilliant performances in IPL over the years and still not won the trophy. So I believe it's just a matter of time. It's a team needs to click together at the right time when it comes to those qualifiers and when it comes to getting across the line. That is what it will take. It is just a matter of time for Virat. I really don't think that it's going to be too much of an impact of this Champions Trophy win on the IPL. That is really going to change, or 2023 World Cup semi-finals and 2024 winner. I don't think that's really going to change too much for Virat. He will continue to play his game. I think probably he might have a last couple of 2-3 years left that he's going to give his best. And I think, in fact, these are the 3 years that I actually bank Virat to win a trophy now, because he will play with that less pressure, like you rightly said. He this time the IPL RCB team is also looking pretty balanced to me. Of course, we'll talk about it as we come through. But to me, I think these two are separate. Unless you think otherwise, I don't think it's going to make too much of an impact on the victory or defeat in IPL. Rajiv.
Yeah, I'm not talking only about Virat Kohli only. Virat Kohli is the biggest example I can quote as of now. My point here was that now all our Indian players जो IPL से थोड़ा सा अपना, ठीक है मैं एक जीता हुआ हूँ IPL से, they bring in some solace to themselves कि हाँ मैंने जीता हुआ है करके. वो ऐड भी आ गया ना, हार्दिक बोलता है मैंने 5 IPL जीता है, रोहित शर्मा बोलता मैं 6, स्काई बोलता मैं 3, वो सब है. But I'm just saying कि somebody like who Virat Kohli was not one, and even those players who's not, अभी जैसे रोहित शर्मा in IPL last 3 years से कुछ चल नहीं रहा था, suddenly they have 2 wins and at a far bigger stage, like you pointed out, far bigger stage than IPL. तो अब तो वो मतलब वो they are going to really take IPL by storm. I mean, it's going to be a really big tournament for some of these stars, because they're not going to be bothered. I mean, they are really going to make a now you will see statement in innings more than मैच सजाना, ये सब नहीं होगा. वो कहेगा मैं जाऊंगा and I'm going to showcase myself, right? So भास्कर, आप क्या सोचते हैं कि do you think
See,
it warrants a point?
because you took Virat as the example, I don't think that could be a case at all, because Virat was always a winner. He won the Under-19 World Cup as a captain. He won the first World Cup he played, 2011, as a youngster, and probably the best promising youngster in the world. Next 2 years down the line, 2013, he was the best batsman in the world. He won the 2013 World Cup Champions Trophy, and he top scored in the final, if you remember. So, and he was the best. And after the next 3-4 years, starting from 2013-14 till 2018-19, probably he was the best batsman in the world across the formats. India winning so much overseas. So I don't think winning the Champions Trophy is going to play a huge role in Virat feeling relaxed and the pressure off his back or anything like that. He's always been, he won quite a bit very early in his career. And unfortunately, in between 8-9 saal, we could not win an ICC trophy. Virat not winning RCB is more to do with RCB as a team combination than Virat as an individual. Of course, Virat's captaincy probably was not suited to white ball cricket, but RCB as a team combination, starting from Rahul Dravid, Anil Kumble era, we have seen that they were top heavy. There was a time when RCB even picked players like Wasim Jafar, and it looked like a test team. That's what people said. And RCB's team selections were not up to the mark. That's what I feel. That could be one reason they never won anything. And it was always top heavy. They had a couple of great bowlers like Dale Steyn. But the middle, अभी जो इंडिया का टीम है ना, वो ODI टीम, वैसा उनका बैलेंस नहीं था. Like Chennai Super Kings had Dwayne Bravo and Ravindra Jadeja and Ravichandran Ashwin. They had that kind of balance, even which KKR had with Sunil Narayan. I think वैसा balance नहीं था. They just had a couple of great fast bowlers and a top-heavy batting lineup. So who were always over-dependent on a few players. So that's where I think RCB had a problem. Winning Champions Trophy in these two titles, I don't think it's going to play a huge role, because probably it could play a role for someone like, say, Harshit Rana, who's already won a Champions Trophy, or somebody like a Varun Chakravarti, but not for players like Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli. Rajiv.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मेरा पॉइंट आरसीबी की तरफ नहीं था. मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि
Yeah.
just being from one IPL to another IPL, suddenly you have a host of Indian players who have won a lot of things, and now they are like, I will showcase my best, and the pressure is actually not there in IPL. That's what I'm saying. And इसलिए वो performance अलग तरीके का आ सकता है, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ. we'll talk about how the teams are. Yeah, बोलिए.
Just one point I'm trying to make is ये जो चीज बोल रहे हैं ना, जो प्रेशर नहीं है, जो विनर्स है, दैट इज फॉर द यंगस्टर्स लाइक अक्षर पटेल, हर्षित राणा, वरुण चक्रवर्ती. इनके लिए इट कुड बी a huge boost and they would be very confident playing the IPL. But Virat Kohli has already been there, done that. मतलब उसको सिर्फ IPL नहीं जीतना, कोई वर्ल्ड कप 2011 जीत गया, he won the under 19 वर्ल्ड कप. Not winning the IPL, I don't think it's such a huge thing for him.
Actually it is.
So
Actually it is. मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. आप
हाँ.
आरसीबी के टी शर्ट पहन के आप देखिए
हाँ.
कितना उनको मतलब दर्द है. आप एंड दैट फैन बेस इज वो मतलब भक्त लेवल फैन बेस है
उनके
आरसीबी.
लिए है. I agree it's for the people, but as Virat who's been such a great player over
They're
the last so many
desperate.
years,
They are desperate for ई साला कप नमदे है ना. डेस्परेशन मतलब आप नहीं सोच सकते. मैं बैंगलोर के लोगों को जानता हूँ ना. मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
I know.
तो आई नो मैं नहीं बोलूंगा कि मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा. मेरी धुलाई हो जाएगी. आई एम नॉट एन आरसीबी सपोर्टर, तो मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट आई जस्ट सेइंग, मुझे लगता है कि दिस टाइम द प्लेयर्स जो अपने स्टार्स हैं, दे गोइंग टू बी अ डिफरेंट बीस्ट. चलो एनीवेज वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट. लेकिन मैं अभिजीत का पॉइंट ले लेता हूँ इसी टॉपिक पे. अभिजीत, आप आईपीएल को कैसे देखते हैं? विल कम फॉर अ रिव्यू, एवरीथिंग विल डू, बट ई साला कप नमदे बोलो.
Well, actually, IPL is the biggest festival in the world. I don't know any other, and counter me on this one. Tell me another festival in the world which runs for 2 months, which has packed houses, which has roughly, I think, 5 to 10 crore people involved for a period of 2 months, every day of it. I don't think there's any other festival in the world. So this is also again an offshoot of why others are jealous of us. So it will be big. Once IPL comes, the entire flavor of the country changes. Already it's changed. The ads, the billboards, everything IPL. You go to airports, railway stations, आपको IPL हर जगह दिखेगा. And it will be the biggest thing around. And I'm looking forward to the second rung players. Not really the first rung, not the Virat Kohlis and the Rohit Sharma, but I think the Nitish Reddys and the ones who are who want to get into the Indian team, they will look at this as a great opportunity. They know Gautam Gambhir and Ajit Agarkar, they merit people who do well in IPL. They know they are looking for people who are aggressive, who are fearless, who can bat, ball, field, as many acts as possible. So I'm very positive that the second rung Indian players will do very well this IPL. It will have an effect on them. We are white ball champions over the last few years, and and obviously it's a big thing. So we all know 8 p.m. every day we are going to 8 p.m. or 7:30 whenever it starts. We are going to get hooked to IPL, and the money, the ads, everything is going to flow in through it. Entire 2 months becomes IPL season in India. Not just in India. There are many people across the world who also follow IPL. I mean, me and you, we don't follow the 100 or the Big Bash League and all, but IPL everybody is following. In Australia and England, everybody follows because it's the biggest tournament. And let's face it, what English Premier League achieved in 100 plus years, IPL achieved in 15 odd years, in terms of viewership, popularity, ads, revenue, everything. So this has to be the world's biggest festival. Rajiv.
ग्रेट. तो अमित सर, आप पीएसएल देखेंगे क्या? क्योंकि मसाला तो वहीं से आता है.
नहीं, पीएसएल देखो, पीएसएल तो अब इस बार तो उनकी सिचुएशन और भी खराब है. तो ऑलरेडी यहाँ से इतने लॉसेस हो गए हैं और ऊपर से आईपीएल के साथ क्लैश है. तो वो जैसे मुझे बचपन में याद है कि पिक्चरों में दिखाते थे कि जो अमीरों की ऊपर घर में ज्यादा होके जो फेंक देते थे, वो नीचे गरीब अपनी झोली लेके खड़ी होते थे. वैसे उनकी सिचुएशन है. वो अभी जो हमारे रिजेक्टेड प्लेयर्स है वो सारे पीएसएल में जाके खेल रहे हैं, जिनको यहाँ जो सिलेक्ट नहीं हुए. एंड उनका सिचुएशन और भी इसलिए खराब है कि उसमें भी ये हो रहा है कि जो कुछ आईपीएल में साइंड प्लेयर्स है, जब वो अभी कुछ इंजर्ड हो जा रहे हैं, तो जो सेकंड जो इंडिया पिकअप कर रहा है वो पीएसएल के अब साइंड प्लेयर्स है, जो कि अब वो छोड़ के वापस आ रहे हैं. तो इट इज क्वाइट अनफॉर्चुनेट सिचुएशन. मतलब मुझे कभी कभी सरप्राइजिंग लगता है कि व्हाई वुड यू डू सच अ फूलिश थिंग ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ पीएसएल एट द टाइम ऑफ आईपीएल. It just doesn't make any sense. But unfortunately, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी की वजह से उनकी विंडो चली गई है और इसके बाद में कोई विंडो अवेलेबल नहीं है. पर अगर मैं शायद से एक बिजनेसमैन होता, तो rather than conducting a thing like PSL and encouraging more losses, I would have probably taken a decision to probably let it skip this year. ऐसा कोई भी पहाड़ टूट नहीं पड़ता. पर अब ये करके वो और लॉसेस फेस करने वाले हैं. तो देखने का तो सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. कुछ है ही नहीं देखने के लिए, तो आप क्या देखेंगे? मतलब कोई
नहीं
कॉम्पिटिशन ही नहीं.
बड़े बड़े यूट्यूबर रील तो डाल ही देंगे. तो उससे तो निकल ही जाएगा। खैर चलो, वी हैड अ ग्रेट डिस्कशन, थैंक यू सो मच। हम लोग आईपीएल का काफी बड़ा रिव्यू करेंगे, विल हैव अ रिव्यू ऑफ आईपीएल टीम्स एंड आई थिंक अभिजीत मेड अ वेरी वेरी गुड पॉइंट कि ये टूर्नामेंट एक्चुअली जो सेकंड रंग और जो फ्यूचर स्टार्स हैं उनके लिए, ये शोकेस उन्हीं के लिए है और उनको देख के ही सबसे ज्यादा खुशी होता है। एक नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी एक परफॉर्म्स फॉर एसआरएच, goes on and makes a match winning नहीं, unfortunately match winning नहीं, but a great 100 at Melbourne, right?
That
So
too in Test
इससे
cricket.
so
that too in test match.
cricket.
Yeah, that's
So IPL कुछ भी करा सकता है यार, so I think that's the greatest thing. So thank you so much. I think Masters इंडिया जीतने ही वाला है, so we'll come through this video soon. ठीक है, good evening and
absolutely.
have a
Thank you.
wonderful day. Yeah, bye bye.
Thank you, Rajiv.
Yeah.